Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Alex, and today we are going to talk about at the restaurant.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Alex.
Hi, Olivia.
How are you today?
I am good. How are you?
I am great.
That is nice.
Do you like restaurants?
Yes, I do.
Me too.
What kind of food do you like?
I like pasta.
That sounds delicious.
What do you like?
I like pizza.
Pizza is very popular.
Yes, many people like it.
Do you go to restaurants often?
Sometimes.
Who do you go with?
I go with my friends.
That sounds fun.
It is fun.
Do you like small restaurants?
Yes, I do.
Why?
They feel comfortable.
I understand.
What about you?
I like family restaurants.
Nice choice.
Let's imagine we are at a restaurant.
Great idea.
We walk inside.
We see many tables.
A waiter says hello.
We say hello back.
The waiter asks, "Table for two?"
We say yes.
Then we sit down.
We look at the menu.
Is the menu important?
Yes, very important.
Why?
It shows the food.
That is true.
It also shows the drinks.
Good point.
What drink do you order?
I order water.
Water is healthy.
What do you order?
I order orange juice.
That sounds refreshing.
Thank you.
Now, let's choose food.
Okay.
I order pasta.
I order pizza.
The waiter writes it down.
Then the waiter goes away.
We wait for the food.
Waiting can be hard.
Yes, when I am hungry.
Me too.
While waiting, we talk.
What do we talk about?
Maybe our day.
Good idea.
How was your day?
My day was good.
What did you do?
I worked in the morning.
Then what?
I met a friend.
Nice.
What about your day?
I studied English.
That is great.
English is important.
I agree.
The food arrives.
Wonderful.
My pasta looks good.
My pizza looks great.
We start eating.
The food is delicious.
Wow.
Yes, very tasty.
Do you eat quickly?
No, I eat slowly.
That is good.
Do you eat quickly?
Sometimes.
Why?
Because I am hungry.
That makes sense.
Do you share food?
Sometimes.
Can I try your pizza?
Of course.
Thank you.
Can I try your pasta?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
The pizza is very good.
The pasta is excellent.
I am happy.
Me too.
Restaurants are nice places.
Yes, they are.
Now let's learn some English.
Great.
A useful word is menu.
A menu shows food and drinks.
Example sentence.
Can I see the menu, please?
Very good.
Another useful word is order.
Order means choose food.
Example sentence.
I would like to order pizza.
Excellent.
Another word is waiter.
A waiter brings food.
Example sentence.
The waiter is very friendly.
Good example.
Let's learn bill.
The bill shows the price.
Example sentence.
Can I have the bill, please?
Many people use that sentence.
Yes, every day.
Let's learn grammar.
Good idea.
Present simple is easy.
Example.
I eat pizza.
Another example.
She eats pizza.
We add S to eats.
Correct. Let's learn a past tense verb.
Okay. Eat becomes ate.
That is an irregular verb.
Example sentence.
Yesterday I ate pasta.
Very nice.
Another verb is order.
Ordered is the past form.
That is a regular verb.
Example sentence.
I ordered soup.
Excellent. Let's practice pronunciation.
Great.
Say menu.
Menu.
Very good.
Say restaurant.
Restaurant.
Nice job.
Practice helps a lot.
I agree. What about you, listeners?
What is your favorite restaurant food?
Please write your answer in the comments.
Let's continue our restaurant visit.
Sure.
Are you still hungry?
A little.
Maybe dessert?
Great idea.
What dessert do you like?
I like ice cream.
Nice.
What do you like?
I like cake.
Chocolate cake?
Yes.
That sounds wonderful.
We order dessert.
Then we wait.
The dessert arrives.
It looks amazing.
I take one bite.
Is it good?
Yes, very good.
My ice cream is great too.
I am glad.
Restaurants can be relaxing.
I think so too.
Do you talk a lot at restaurants?
Yes, I do.
Me too.
Talking with friends is nice.
It makes meals better.
I agree.
Some restaurants are noisy.
That is true.
Some are quiet.
I like quiet places.
So do I.
The meal is finished.
We are full.
Very full.
What happens next?
We ask for the bill.
Right.
The waiter brings the bill.
We look at it.
The price is fair.
That is good.
We pay the bill.
Then we leave.
Before leaving, we say thank you.
Good manners are important.
Yes, they are. If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It helps the channel a lot.
Let's learn a few more sentences.
Great.
I would like a table for two.
Very useful.
Can I order now?
Another useful sentence.
The food is delicious.
Easy and common.
Can I have the bill, please?
People use that often.
Practice these sentences.
They can help you at a restaurant.
Learning English can be fun.
Yes, especially with real situations.
Restaurants are a great topic.
We learn many useful words.
And many useful sentences.
Exactly.
One more question for our listeners.
Do you prefer pizza, pasta, or something else?
Please tell us in the comments.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye!